everybody, it's Cindy the Scrapologist. Thanks for coming back for a look-see at my channel. I'm really excited about this new digital kit that I just put in my shop today. And this took quite a bit of Photoshop manipulation to make this work. But I had a customer that wanted a mini album that was vintage Hollywood. She is really into Shirley Temple and actresses of that era. And so in my research, I thought, you know what? This would make a beautiful digital kit. So I put some images together, and it is called Vintage Hollywood. It has everything you need to make one 5x7 complete journal. So it would be about this thick if you were to print it and put it into a journal. The I just printed this on regular copy paper this morning using my HP inkjet printer, nothing special. So certainly you could do it on a better quality paper and on the best color setting. So the images are ready to just be trimmed around the edges, and then you fold them in half and it makes a 5x7 journal. This is the front and back cover. If you choose to use that as your cover, I think it would be absolutely gorgeous. And then I did also include, where is it? I did also include end papers for your inside covers. These are the ones that were um, this DigiKit was at the Library of Congress, and so it says Library of Congress on there. It was bound into a book for the Library of Congress, I guess. So you've got your covers, and then you've got your inside cover pages, and then you'd put the rest of your pages in here. You can just staple them together for a quick journal, or you can actually cut them out and lay them, glue them, or paste them onto a journal page if you want, or use it for mixed media, whatever you would like. So here are the rest of the pages. It's primarily advertisements for old movies. Most of these are from around 1917. And they're really fun and feature just beautiful artwork and frames and different things. So like if you didn't want this image here, you could totally cover this up and put your own, maybe a journal, some journaling here or something like that. There are some pages that are more red in color. Paramount Pictures. Fatty Arbuckle. Here's some cartoons from Paramount. Actually, they were animated cartoons, and they were called pictographs back then. And this is a really fun one featuring an ad for Jack and the Beanstalk. A triumphant picture for old and young. Really fun. Oh, look, and it was in 10 reels. Remember the old reel movie theaters? They had 10 of them to show this picture. That's fun. More movie advertisements. The color on them, by the way, is already patinaed, so you don't have to, if you like the coffee or tea stained paper look, it's already done here for you. You don't have to coffee or tea stain it, which is what I like about using vintage books. It already has that aged look to it. And I thought she was beautiful. There were about 400 something pages in this collection that I found, and I had a really difficult time choosing my favorites because the artwork is just so beautiful on all of them. So what I focused on was trying to give you a variety of some different colors and some different images, some men, some women, some cartoons. Here's one that's newsprint, what's going on in the world of film. And here's a nice double page spread that could go on the center, in the center of your book. Again, beautiful borders, so if you don't want this in the center, just cut out a piece of scrapbook paper or something, put it here, and do some collaging and layering. That would be a nice idea with these frames. You could put your own title up here. I liked this one because it has some blank space here, so room for you to put your own, add your own embellishments and ephemera. This had some pretty color to it, and this is Victor, the Victrola dog. I thought he would be really fun to have in the book. This is a day in the life of a movie star back then. What a life. Okay, and that's the whole, this is not included. That's the whole kit. Including the covers, you have 28.5 by 11 sheets of paper. So you have your covers, your end pages, and then 38 images that can go on the inside. That's that kit. It's in my Etsy shop today. I'll put the link below. I'm also making an add-on for this kit. There were a bunch of images in there like this of old movie stars. So I'm going to have a little add-on. I haven't had time to do this part of it yet. I'll probably, hopefully do that next week. And you can purchase an add-on of the photos of vintage movie stars from the 1917s. So I hope you liked the kit. It took me a long time to make it, so I really hope that it's something that you all will like. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.